Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book Virgin Atlantic flights using Delta Airlines. Ulit. Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily book Virgin Atlantic flights using Delta Airlines miles. So first, you may want to head over to delta.com. Next, at the top corner of your screen, hover your mouse on SkyMiles. Next, just click on Travel with Miles. And from here, scroll down, then click on Travel with Miles on Partner Airlines. And as you can see here, Virgin Atlantic is included on their partner airlines. And from here, we're just going to start booking. So scroll up for a little bit. And in the award travel section, click on Book Now. So from here, just make sure that you toggle shop with miles on. Make sure that you check this box and just start filling in the details about the flight you're looking for, starting with your origin and your destination and the kind of trip, if it's one way round trip or multi city, departure date and return date, and how many passengers are boarding to the flight. For more recommendations, make sure that you check include nearby airports, then proceed by clicking on the search button. So here are the available flights, and we're just going to pick the lowest rate, then proceed. Next is select the type of seat and experience, of course. So we're just going to pick this one, and you will see the trip summary. And once everything is good, just proceed with continue to review and pay. And of course, to proceed, you will be prompted to log into Delta. You can log in using your SkyMiles number or username, and of course, your password. But if you don't have an existing SkyMiles account, you can easily join by clicking on this button. And once you're logged in, all you have to do is proceed with the payment. Just complete the transaction. Make sure that all the details you entered are all correct. And just by that, you should be able to book Virgin Atlantic flights using Delta Airlines miles easily. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!